Hey friends, so today we're going to be showcasing a concrete pour for a concrete slab. And as you can see, you have the rebar and it's set on some chairs. We did the forms beforehand, and we set all the gravel, compacted everything. We put a weed blocker, and then we are going to pour a 6-inch slab here, and then as you can see, we have the pump. Concrete has been delivered, and at this moment we're pumping it and making sure that it's spread out evenly and that it's being pumped adequately. And you have an amazing crew here. And it's being screeded. Make sure everything is spread out, even it out. And at this point in the process, our amazing team right here, as you can see, they're floating the concrete, smoothing it out, and they're going to eventually be marking where the joints will be in the concrete. As you can see, they're using a string to mark the joints. And if you didn't know, joints are very important when it comes to concrete, because concrete is prone to cracking, and joints help the concrete expand, and it also helps with controlling where the cracks will be. You want them to crack at nearby where the joints are. You don't want them to crack, in the middle of your concrete. So joints serve to control the expansion and control where your cracks are going to be, because concrete is very likely to crack, and it's going to contract because of the temperature, and you want to control this because it's prone to cracking. So it's definitely helpful when it comes to your concrete pour. And after we're done with all the finishing touches, we have our grand finale, where he is doing a broom finish. He's stroking the broom back and forth to get that nice finish. And once he's done with this, it's important to keep the concrete moist and wet, so we prevent cracking. Look at that masterpiece.